Meditation. There are many different benefits to meditation. It can help with stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also help you be more focused and mindful. Meditation has been shown to increase creativity, compassion, and empathy. The benefits of meditation are not only physical but mental as well. Meditation can help you reduce anxiety and stress in your life, which will make you happier overall. Assuming pressure has you restless, tense, and stressed, think about attempting reflection. Spending even a couple of moments in reflection can assist with re-establishing your quiet and inward harmony. Anybody can rehearse reflection. It's basic and reasonable. Furthermore, it requires no exceptional gear. What's more, you can rehearse contemplation any place you are, whether you're out for a walk, riding the transport, holding up at the specialist's office, or even in the center of a troublesome conference. Figuring out reflection. Contemplation has been polished for millennia. Reflection initially was intended to assist with extending comprehension of the sacrosanct and magical powers of life. Nowadays, reflection is usually utilized for unwinding and stress decrease. Reflection is viewed as a kind of psyche-body reciprocal medication. Contemplation can create a secret government of unwinding and a quiet brain. During contemplation, you concentrate and wipe out the surge of muddled considerations that might be swarming your psyche and causing pressure. This cycle might bring about improved physical and close-to-home prosperity. Advantages of contemplation. Contemplation can provide you with a feeling of quiet, harmony, and adjust that can help both your close-to-home prosperity and your general well-being. You can likewise utilize it to unwind and adapt to pressure by pulling together your consideration on something quieting. Contemplation can assist you with figuring out how to remain focused and keep internal harmony. Also, these advantages don't end when your reflection meeting closes. Contemplation can assist with bringing you all the more tranquilly as the day progressed. Furthermore, contemplation might assist you with overseeing side effects of specific ailments. Contemplation and profound and actual prosperity.